Why does the sun make you sneeze? This phenomenon is called the photic sneeze reflex, or the more fun term, sun sneeze. And here is how it works. When a bright light shines in your eye, your optic nerve is activated. The optic nerve then sends signals to your brain to alert you of the bright light. Anatomically, your optic nerve is located close to your trigeminal nerve. The trigeminal nerve is responsible for your sneeze reflex. So occasionally, a bright light can activate your optic nerve, and your trigeminal nerve can be turned on as well due to the nerves being neighbors. End result, sun sneeze.